Hello guys, I'm Soni. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have two software engineering opportunities in Bengaluru. One is a DevOps engineer role and another one is a software trainee role at Aon. And these roles are suitable for 2025 and 2026 graduates. So make sure to watch this video till the end. The first opportunity is from sequretek and they are hiring for a DevOps engineer focused on on-premises and private cloud infrastructure. Here are the important details first. This one is open for 0 to 2 year of experienced candidates and salary is around 2 to 5 LPA and this is a full-time opportunity. Now let's understand what you will actually work on. This role is focused heavily on private cloud and infrastructure operations. Another important point is not an AWS or Azure focused DevOps roles. Your work will include servers, containers, CI/CD, databases, monitoring, networking and automation. One of your major responsibility will be provisioning and maintaining virtual machines using Proxmox VE and VMware, so you will get hands-on exposure to virtualization and the infrastructure layer underneath applications. You will also administrate both Ubuntu Linux and Windows Server that includes activities such as patching systems, hardening servers, managing services and troubleshooting operational issues. Another major part of the role is containerization. You will work with Docker and Docker Compose to build and troubleshoot containers running in microservices. So, if you are learning Docker and want actual infrastructure experience rather than just running a container locally, this role can be very useful for you. You will also work with Jenkins to build and maintain CI/CD pipelines. Along with that, you will manage GitLab repositories, branching, and releases. So, the development and deployment workflow is also part of your responsibility. On the database side, you will support operational activities involving MongoDB, MySQL, and Oracle. The role also involves monitoring. You will build Grafana dashboards and infrastructure alerts to help monitor systems and identify the issues. You will also maintain backup and restore procedures and support disaster recovery testing. So the overall stack is very quite broad. They are looking at VMware, Linux, Windows Server, Docker, Jenkins, databases, Grafana, Bash, Python, networking and private cloud technologies. Now let's talk about their work environment. So this is a 5 working day schedules work and directly support infrastructure owned and operated by sequretek. Coming to the eligibility, the requirement is relatively simple. The education requirement is any graduate. Now coming to the second opportunity, this one is from Aon and they are hiring for the software trainee role. Let's quickly look at the important details first. The experience required is 0 to 1 year and the location is Bengaluru. This is a full-time opportunity and the eligible batch is 2026. There are 25 openings in total. Now, this role is much more broader than the sequretek opportunity. You will work with software engineering teams to design, develop, test, and maintain applications and services. You will write efficient and maintainable code while following standard software engineering practices. You will also participate in code reviews, debugging, testing, and performance optimization. So, this is a good entry level opportunity if you are trying to start your career as a software developer rather than DevOps. You will collaborate with product managers, architects, and cross functional engineering teams while working on technology solutions for business requirements. The role also provides exposure to modern development practices, frameworks, and cloud platforms. Now, let's talk about the technical requirement. Aon is looking for candidates with strong CS fundamentals that includes DSA, OOPS, operating systems, and database concepts. For programming languages, they mention Java, Python, C++, C Sharp, and JavaScript. You don't necessarily need to be an expert in all of these. The important thing is having a strong programming foundation and being comfortable learning the technology used by the team. You will also need knowledge of SQL, Git, CI/CD, and agile development practices. And of course, problem solving and communication skills are important. There are also several nice to have skills mentioned, that is Spring Boot, .NET, React, Angular, Node.js, Azure, AWS, and GCP. So, if you have worked on academic projects, hackathon, open source contribution, or personal software projects, those can strengthen your profile. And here you will be contributing to technical documentation and help improve software development processes. The role provides structured onboarding and technical training along with mentorship from experienced engineering professionals. You will also get exposure to enterprise scale and product based software development. There is one very important condition though. Candidates candidates must be willing to sign a 2-year service agreement, so make sure you understand this commitment before applying. The education requirement is very simple. This one is open for BE, BTech, in CS, IT, electronics, or a related discipline. Candidates should have no backlogs. The opportunity is primarily aimed at 2026 graduates, although professionals with experience up to 1 year of are also eligible for this one. Graduates from institutions such as IITs, NITs, triple IITs, BITS, and other top tier engineering colleges are preferred. And yeah, guys, these were the two opportunities. If we compare both, if you are interested more onto DevOps side, then go for the first one. And if you are interested in software development, then definitely go for the second one because that aligns more with your profile. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. All the apply link are in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out my next opportunity update video. And if you want any particular job update in a particular domain, make sure to comment down so I can bring it in front of you. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching guys.